In today's segment, I'll be discussing about vitamins, its sources, classification and deficiency diseases. Sources, classification and deficiency diseases. Okay, let's see what are vitamins. Vitamins, they are nothing but organic compounds required in diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for the normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of the organism. What are vitamins? Vitamins, they are organic compounds required in diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of organism. Now let us see the classification of vitamins, how they are classified. Vitamins, they are classified into two groups depending upon their solubility in water or fat. Fat soluble vitamins and then water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins means they are soluble in fat and oils, whereas water soluble vitamins, they are soluble in water. Fat soluble vitamins, they are insoluble in water. Here, whereas water soluble vitamins, they must be supplied regularly in diet. And here fat soluble vitamins, they are stored in adipose tissues and in liver. Whereas water soluble vitamins means they are readily excreted in urine and cannot be stored in our body. And fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, whereas water soluble vitamins are B and C. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, whereas water soluble vitamins are B and C. Water soluble vitamins are B and C. This is how vitamins are classified. Fat soluble vitamins means A, D, E, K. Water soluble vitamins means B and C. And fat soluble vitamins, they are insoluble in water, whereas water soluble vitamins, they are soluble in water and they must be supplied regularly in diet. And fat soluble vitamins, they are stored in adipose tissues and in liver, whereas water soluble vitamins, they cannot be stored in our body. Now let us discuss the name of vitamins, its sources and the deficiency diseases. Name of the vitamin is vitamin A. Sources are found to be fish liver oil, carrot, butter and milk. Deficiency of vitamin A causes xerophthalmia, night blindness. Xerophthalmia is nothing but hardening of cornea of eye. Xerophthalmia, XEROPH, spelling is very important. THEALMIA, xerophthalmia. So vitamin A, the sources are found to be fish, liver oil, carrots, butter and milk. The deficiency disease is xerophthalmia, that is hardening cornea of eye, night blindness. Next one is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, which is also known as thiamine. The sources are found to be yeast, milk, green vegetables, cereals. And beriberi, the deficiency disease is found to be beriberi, which is nothing but loss of appetite, retarded growth. Beriberi, BERI, beriberi, which leads to retarded growth and loss of appetite. Next is vitamin B2, which is otherwise known as riboflavin. The sources are milk, egg white, liver, kidney. And the deficiency of vitamin B2 causes cholosis, which means fissuring at the corners of the mouth and lips, digestive disorders and burning sensation of the skin. Next is vitamin B6, which is otherwise known as pyridoxine. The sources are yeast, milk, egg yolk, grams, cereals, and the deficiency of vitamin B6 causes convulsions. Next one, vitamin B12, the sources are meat, fish, egg, curd, and deficiency of vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia, which means RBC deficient in hemoglobin. Vitamin C, which is otherwise known as ascorbic acid, the sources are citrus fruits, amla and green leafy vegetables. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, that is bleeding of gums. Next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D sources are exposure to sunlight, fish, egg yolk, and the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, bone deformities in children, and osteomalacia, that is nothing but soft bones and joint pain in adults. Vitamin E sources are found to be vegetable oils like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and the deficiency of vitamin E causes increased fragility of RBCs and muscular weakness. Vitamin K sources are green leafy vegetables, and the deficiency of vitamin K causes increased blood clotting time.